Making your own phonics kit is a great option for when you don't have the budget to buy a made-up one, but you do have access to a good printer. The file is exactly the same as the professionally made versions, and just like that one, it comes with basic instructions. It also has the tab cards for easy organization, and then all the word cards, picture cards, grapheme cards that you're going to need. Now, purchasing the PDF allows you to make one set only for educational purposes, but you are free to reprint any cards from then on if you lose or damage any. The PDF file is also handy if maybe you have one of the professionally made kits, but you've lost a card. You can just print off a replacement. I made this one by sending the file to the printer. You can print it on card or paper. I chose card, and then just cut out the cards, and then you can laminate it if you want to. It can be tricky finding a box the right size. I'm using this plastic container which works, but the lid won't fit on. However, you can buy one of our empty Phonics kit boxes. These are professionally made. They come with a magnetic clasp, and they're the perfect size because they're actually custom made for our kits. Now, I have made up a stage 1 to 7 kit myself. I'm not going to lie, it was a big job. And if you're paying, say, a teaching assistant to make it and paying for printing and lamination, well, that's costly. So financially, you'd be better off buying a professionally made kit. But it is a lot of fun making your own kit.